If you are here today, if you are here in this room, it is because somebody from our organization took the time to recognize the work that you guys are doing in social and emotional learning. On behalf of the Urban Assembly and Aperture Education, I would like to welcome you to our first SEL State of Mind Award ceremony. Because the work we've done in social emotional learning in New York City has been integrated to every facet of our fabric of our schools.
Principal Fong is the principal of PS 130, and we're a school in low-income Chinatown. And he has done great things for the school and for the community as well.
Please give a round of applause to all of our awardees. This is about an SEL state of mind, and you all are in this room today because that's the kind of mind that you share. These citations are going to Yvette Donald and Dr. Arabo Pembroke.
Can we just have one more round of applause for all our awardees? At Aperture Education, we strive to partner with educators such as yourselves and aim to impact 1 billion lives by the year 2030. It's more important than just a number, though. It's giving educators like you and students strength-based skills to live their lives to the fullest.
What does New York City look like when every single student can talk about their strengths, challenges, and needs academically, but also social emotionally? Congratulations to the winners.